wish me to get a cake. So that's very sweet of you. So thank you for that. Can I?
So yeah, welcome to India Forums.
Yes.
Let's do the cake cutting.
Yes.
Happy
Done.
birthday to you. You're supposed to cut the cake also.
Oh yes.
Happy
Birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's dead and it's for you guys and thank you.
Thank you.
सी रात को तो एज यूजुअल फ्रेंड्स आते हैं घर पे तो वो तो होगा ही. आई एम होपिंग कि कोई आ जाए. बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट very next day that is something I do every birthday. So I kind of visit, I pay a visit to an orphanage, old age. So this time I'm going to an old age, so I'll be there spending my time. Then my parents are telling me to go to a temple, तो देखते हैं अभी मंदिर दर्शन होंगे. वहाँ जाएंगे. And शाम को with friends, yes, closed ones, go out somewhere, chill.
So are you somebody who's very excited and prepped up about your birthdays or?
Oh yes, I used to be. Now I know.
Used to be.
क्या होता है कि इंसान बड़ा हो रहा है तो आपको ऐसे वो अंदर से यू फील के ओ माई गॉड यू बिकमिंग ओल्ड. बट नो, आई एम ऑलवेज हैप्पी एंड यू शुड सेलिब्रेट योर बर्थडे. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई फील दैट जिसी का भी बर्थडे हो, it's that special day that you guys deserve to be happy. So it's your day. Make it to the fullest and enjoy. Yeah.
What's your fondest birthday memory?
For the past 2-3 years, my birthdays have been great thanks to all the fans, and they've got me some really exciting stuff, some lots of blessings, lots of greeting cards on my birthday. So that is very special. I mean, I never expected, obviously, that so many people would be wishing you. So yeah, that is something has been very memorable for me.
Talking about fans and gifts and how
Yeah.
they make you feel special. So what's the best and the most weirdest gift you ever got?
See, best and weirdest are different questions.
Yeah, different
Yeah.
questions only.
Best, see, I cannot categorize gifts actually. But yes, weirdest, when it comes to weirdest, there are some, so for example, now fans must be giving a lot of stuff to their respective artist, whoever, but they give sorts of pillows which has us on it, so you can't expect us to sleep on that. So that is something weird for me. Also, soft toy. मतलब यार हम लड़के हैं, we are boys, we are men, and हमको वैसे छोटू सा क्यूट से सॉफ्ट टॉय देते हो तो weird लगता है. So yeah, these are couple of. But best, trust me, everything means a lot. I mean, a lot of guys put a lot of efforts in getting a lot of beautiful stuff, pretty stuff. So yeah.
3 things that top your bucket list.
बकेट अभी तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है यार.
Still the top 3.
एग्जाम्पल दे दो वैसे तौर पर.
Something like, you know, you might want to do bungee jumping or you might want to
अभी
do
के लिए
something before.
so I would just say this birthday till my next birthday I want to travel as much as I can. So the place that I haven't visited, I want to go there and meet new people, do crazy stuff. Of course, working on my film, so I'm hoping that that should turn up. So yeah, career wise we expect good stuff for all of us.
Something you're obsessed with in real life.
Something I'm obsessed with my real life. Obsessed with. So there is this certain thing. There's this very weird thing that I have. So I have oats every day. उसके बिना मेरा दिन नहीं जाता. तो अगर वो नहीं खाया तो ऐसा लगता है मेरा दिन इनकम्प्लीट सा है. So I don't know whether you can call it as obsession, but every day I need that oats. I need it. And that's when I feel कि okay, हाँ अब अच्छा दिन जाएगा अब.
Who would be your dream co-star?
Dream coast, I never think or visualize कि कौन होनी चाहिए या ये होनी चाहिए वो होनी चाहिए.
Somebody
But
you always wanted to work with.
someone, I can only say someone who looks really good and someone along with that who can act. That's like the most unique combination that the entire world is asking for.
A pinch-me moment for you.
As in a dream
Something
come
that-
true.
Something that came across as a very great thing, you know. Like something you were surprised and shocked and happy at the same time.
Surprised, shocked, and happy. Surprised, shocked, and happy. My God. और सोचना पड़ेगा यार, अभी तो ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा है.
The most challenging scene you've done till date.
The most challenging. एक सीन था जहाँ पर मुझे रेस्ट करना था और मेरे डायरेक्टर ने मुझे खास करके बोला था कि पार्थ सोना मत. So that was like the biggest challenge and I slept.
Okay, so moving
Actual
to,
slept in the scene.
moving to Kaisi Hai Arya,
Yeah.
it's now back and it's now back with Woot.
Huh.
So how's the experience?
Yes,
How's
it's great.
doing?
It's great. In fact, Woot has been pulling up a lot of efforts to make sure season 3 turns out to be big, massive, better than season 2 and 1. So we are really excited. The characters are really nice. There are new characters involved in the show, and Woot has made sure that like we shoot or we have our particular scenes in such a manner that you guys can watch it aram se. There is no rush, there is no hurry. Soon they will update you with when are they coming on air with KYY 3 episodes. But we are excited, yes, and we are sure that you guys will love it.
A lot of new people have joined the cast
Yes.
this season.
Yes.
So how's your bonding with them and how's it working with
It's
everybody?
great. They are great people. I mean, I should actually thank BBC for casting good actors and good people. It's again whole bunch of new talent, and but they are experienced also at the same time. So looking forward to work with them, and I've also worked couple of scenes with them, and it's great. They are good actors, good co-actors.
Okay, so we just have this quick tagged segment. You have to, since it's Kaisi Hai Arya, you just have to tag friend, the first friend that comes to your mind.
Mukti.
I'll give you the list.
Acha, okay.
You'll have to tag them.
Okay.
So the first one is the 3 a.m. friend,
3 a.m. friend. Mukti. Charlie.
the ditcher friend,
Ditcher friend. Karan Jotwani.
the high on life friend,
Hi on Abhilash.
the intelligent one,
Intel. Parth Samtan.
the gossip monker,
Gossip. Mukti again. Charlie.
the friend zone.
Gossip, I think all girls. That goes mandatory for all the girls out there. And trust me, that is there. Cannot
friend
avoid.
zone friend.
Friend zone friend.
Somebody who's always friend zone.
Like a girl or a guy.
Anybody.
I have a lot of
You
school
know.
friends. Yeah, a lot of school friends.
Okay, so
A
your
lot of
message
fans
to
are
the
wishing
fans.
you happy birthday and all the best for season 3.
Thank you. Thank you so
any
much.
message
Thank
for
you.
all your fans?
Please continue the support and share the love. And also, I am excited to work on this show. I hope you guys are equally excited to watch the show. So let's see whenever it comes around. Please stay tuned, stay updated, and keep watching and keep yourself updated with India Forums. Cheers. Hey, Yuva Rani, thanks for sending your gift from Madurai. And I will soon open this gift once I get time. That is very soon. But I'm really sorry, I'm not able to because I'm in a rush. Along with that, Sushma Pawar, thank you. You have taken a lot of efforts. I will definitely open this up once I get time because now I have to rush for shoot. Thank you, Sushma. Thank you so much.
Just open it and say you don't have the name.
Okay, there is no name on it, but yes, thank you so much. That's very sweet of you. Thank you. Please mention your name next time. Cheers. Thank you so much.